Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the wait logic block, a useful feature for introducing delays in your app's workflow. This block allows you to control the timing of actions, making it ideal for pauses, time sequences, or managing asynchronous operations. Imagine an app where you need to display a splash screen or loading indicator before showing the main content. By using the wait logic block, you can introduce a delay to ensure the loading process completes, providing a smoother transition for the user. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the wait logic block in your workflow. Drag the wait logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application. Next, connect the wait block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the wait action when it occurs. Click on the wait block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key steps. Assign the delay time in milliseconds. This determines how long the application will pause before proceeding to the next step. You can input the delay time as a numerical value, specifying the exact duration of the pause. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages will notify users if the wait operation completed successfully or if there was an issue.